The Fifth, Sixth, and Eighth Amendments contain other rights for criminal defendants. One of these is the right to remain silent. If the government accuses you of a crime, the proof is entirely on them to prove that you did it. And the jury must be told that the fact that you're remaining silent does not indicate that you're guilty. However, the right against self-incrimination only applies in criminal cases, not in civil cases. So if you're ever sued, you must answer all questions in court. The Constitution also guarantees everyone who's charged with a crime that might result in jail time the right to an attorney, and if they can't afford one, the state will pay for one. And any evidence that's obtained in violation of the Constitution can't be admitted in court. This is called the exclusionary rule. The Constitution also forbids prosecuting someone twice for the same crime. This is known as double jeopardy. However, like all due process protections, it only applies to criminal suits, not civil suits. So even if you're acquitted, someone can still sue you. In addition, because of federalism, both the state and the federal government can prosecute you for the same crime. The Eighth Amendment also prohibits cruel and unusual punishment. The main controversy is whether the Eighth Amendment permits the death penalty. The text of the Constitution seems to suggest that it does. However, in 1972, the Supreme Court said the death penalty was unconstitutional. They decided this because they said that it was imposed arbitrarily and that there was a high chance it was imposed in a racially discriminatory manner. After many states made changes to their death penalty procedures, the court allowed it again in 1976. However, there are still significant limits on the death penalty. For example, it cannot be imposed in a way that causes too much suffering. It also can't be imposed on individuals who are minors when they committed their crime. Nor can it be imposed on those with developmental disabilities. And it can only be imposed for murder and not other crimes, such as rape. Finally, the cruel and unusual punishment clause does not apply to sentences that seem very, very long. Supreme Court upheld a lifetime sentence for someone convicted for their first-time possession of cocaine.